Imagine trying to hit a speeding tennis ball, or catching a glass just before it falls off the table. These split-second actions seem effortless, but they depend on something extraordinary: your brain's ability to rapidly predict how and when to move. The world unfolds across time, and to interact with it successfully, your brain must anticipate what comes next and act at precisely the right moment. But how do we do that? For simple actions like meeting a friend for coffee, we use a watch in order to be on time. But for fast, unconscious actions, we rely on internal clocks within the brain. We hypothesize that these clocks are made of finely tuned electrical activity in our brain. One region of the brain, the cerebellum, acts like a conductor, helping us to align our actions with external visual, auditory, and tactile cues to produce smooth, coordinated movements. My name is DiGregorio, and I lead a laboratory that studies how the brain transforms sensory information from the external world into precisely timed actions on the scale of milliseconds to seconds. We use high-speed fluorescent microscopes and electrical recordings to watch the brain in action while it processes signals during a behavior. To make sense of these measurements and design new experiments, we use computer simulations of artificial neural networks, similar to those tools used for AI, to model how time emerges in the brain and how it drives behavior. We think that when these internal clocks break down, movement becomes uncoordinated, a condition known as ataxia. Problems in cerebellar timing may also contribute to the sensory difficulties seen in autism spectrum and some psychiatric disorders. We are passionate about researching this deceptively simple question: how does the brain keep track of time, and how does it help us make precise actions? By answering these questions, we hope to one day better restore coordination and function when it has been lost.